Hi friends, welcome back. Let us begin our journey into the modulation world. And here, in order to have multiple messages on the same medium, we need different carriers to carry the messages. A carrier can be a sinusoidal of a particular some amplitude, some frequency, and some phase. All these three parameters can be used to represent our message signal. So if the amplitude varies according to message, then we call it amplitude modulation. If the frequency varies according to our message, then we call it frequency modulation. And if phase varies according to our message, then we call it phase modulation. And these two together trigonometrically represents angle. So phase modulation and frequency modulation together can be called angle modulation. So let's begin our journey into amplitude modulation. Here, the carrier is a sinusoidal of some frequency fc, has some phase omega c, I'm sorry, phi c, and this should represent our message signal. So the modulated output, say y of t, should be something. This represents the signal. So s of t times sine of 2 pi fc of t plus phi c. So if you assume that the signal is some sinusoidal, for example, then it can be some magnitude of am sine 2 pi fm t plus phi m times sine 2 pi fc t plus phi c. So to simplify our work, let's assume that these two are zero because they are not going to contribute much. So this can be written in simple terms as sine 2 pi f m into t times sine 2 pi fc into t. So trigonometrically, sine into sine can be represented by sine 2 pi fc plus fm plus sine 2 pi times fc minus fm. So it is made up of two sinusoidals. One frequency is fc plus fm and another frequency is fc minus fm. And if you talk in terms of the spectrum, yes, this is our frequency axis, and somewhere here we had our carrier, and then after amplitude modulation we get two sinusoidals. One is fc minus fm and another one is fc plus fm. So that's two signals we get. This one we call the upper sideband, this one we call the lower sideband. Each sideband will carry the information about the message. So it can be upper sideband, or it can be lower sideband, or it can be altogether be used for transmitting signal from one end to other end. So the analog amplitude modulation, we have one carrier frequency and one lower sideband, that's FC minus FM, and then upper sideband FC plus FM. So three signals will be available, and if you just look at what is important, what important is the message signal. Message signal is important, and the message signal is there in the FM. So message signal is there in the FM. That means either FC plus FM or FC minus FM will be useful for getting this FM term. So what can be done is either use this or use this. But anyway, this is not going to have any message, and hence this can be assumed to be redundant. Of course, without this, this whole process cannot be done, and the reverse process called the demodulation can be done only when you know FC. So without FC, demodulation cannot be done. Therefore, it is recommended to have all three frequencies be transmitted: the carrier, the lower sideband, the upper sideband, all three. But if you want to save energy, yes, we can avoid sending this. So if you avoid sending this, then such a scheme is called suppressed carrier, and that's one way of doing it. So we have, this is AM, stands for amplitude modulation, and there are two side bands, so we call it double sideband. Then we have AM double sideband with suppressed carrier, or there is no point in having the message signal twice. So that means lower sideband also carries the message, upper sideband also carries the message. Therefore, it is better to have only one sideband, which is called single sideband. So this talks about having a carrier and one sideband, either upper one or lower one, whichever is possible, whichever is, can be used. So both of them are having the message content. Then again, the carrier, again unnecessarily wasting our energy. So to reduce the power, we can suppress the carrier. So different schemes are available for transmitting the amplitude modulated signal. Many more things to come in our coming sessions. So till then, take care. See you. Bye.